I always regret asking this girl what she's doing. Oh, that one made a heart. Did you see? Oh, it's making hearts. That was super cute. Oh, that's sad. Aww. Can't imagine how much that costs.
It's gotta cost a fortune.
Hell yeah.
At least $100 grand. They've been going for 5 minutes now. I stopped and started again.
I'm gonna say you can buy like $80 firework at Walmart, and those ones don't even go up in the sky like that. So. I just figured out what I want my career to be. I want to be the one lighting all of those. That'd be fun. That one looked like a planet. Those ones over there like chase themselves. It's funny. Where are these people coming from?
Nah, we got the best view up here.
I was thinking, I don't want to say that. Where the hell did they come from? Oh, I wonder if Loki's freaking out. Hey puppy, I don't know which puppy you are. If you're large, so I'm guessing it's fine. Excuse me. Please. That's so cool. Huggy must teach you on his tail when you're touching him.
Is that it? Nope.
It's 9:08. I said I should shoot off like 50 at the same time. Oh, bright.
What do you think? Is that it? I thought that.
Yep, it's 9:09. Okay.
I don't want to take a chance of missing the finale. Or I guess we got the whole thing already. Because it went for 9 minutes straight.
Yeah. I'm gonna check on my dog. I feel like he's probably freaking out.